Ready to build your foundational knowledge of the Hebrew language? Look no further than the Briston Biblical Hebrew Alphabet Flash Card deck. Expertly designed for beginners ready to learn, this pack includes 48 color-coded Hebrew letter cards, along with a master alphabet chart. Reviewing or gamifying these glossy, durable cards will introduce you or your learners to essential knowledge that will allow them to build their mastery of the language over time. Each alphabet card includes an image of the Hebrew letter, along with the English and Hebrew name with pronunciation and English transliteration, letter type, and drawing guide. These flashcards are the perfect tool for individuals, classroom or homeschool learning, or for group study along with friends. Get your 48-card Biblical Hebrew Alphabet Card Pack and begin your language learning journey today with Briston, inspiring learning through engaging and effective tools.